According to the most recent reports and leaks, Samsung intends to take significant action in the smartwatch sector. There will be significant changes. In order to immediately compete with Apple's Ultra Watch and to demonstrate a new approach for Samsung's devices, they unveiled the Galaxy Watch Ultra last year. It can be a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 or a Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. According to reliable sources, Samsung is introducing a large number of models this year rather than just a few. Strong reports suggest that the corporation is planning to sell not just the regular model of its future smartwatch, but 3 additional models. If these rumors are accurate, the Galaxy Watch 8, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and Galaxy Watch Ultra may second all be released simultaneously. This demonstrates that Samsung is paying attention to consumer input, particularly on the rotating bezel, a feature of previous Galaxy watches that many people found appealing. It indicates that Samsung is expanding its product line and developing fresh concepts. Some recent models that did it disappointed a lot of people, but it appears that Samsung is bringing it back with a vintage model. But there are always trade-offs with new technology. The classic model might have a slightly smaller battery than the Ultra model if the rotating bezel is restored. This makes reasonable because larger batteries require more space, and the bezel system requires more internal components. However, if Samsung improves the compatibility of hardware and software, the impact on battery life may not be as obvious as some believe. Let's now discuss the cost. The Classic model is a fantastic option for those who want a high-end smartwatch but are on a tight budget because it should be less expensive than the Ultra. Given that Samsung is renowned for offering fantastic sales and trades, obtaining this watch may be even simpler. A Classic could soon overtake a bestseller as the most popular choice if it provides the same level of pleasure at a fair price. However, the Ultra 2 will most likely offer added features that offset its increased price for those who demand the finest. But this is when things start to get interesting. Samsung might be making a significant shift by increasing the Ultra 2's battery capacity. Battery life is one of the most crucial factors for wristwatch consumers, so if this is accurate, it would be revolutionary. Imagine a smartwatch like the Ultra model that includes a rotating screen in addition to a longer battery life. That would greatly enhance the situation. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.